Hey everyone, and welcome to Exam Focus. I'm so excited to have you join our community of dedicated learners. We've got you covered. So, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's conquer those exams together. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of corporate social responsibility, or CSR. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what CSR is, why it's important, how it's different from philanthropy and its key pillars, scope of CSR activities, and challenges for CSR. Let's get started. What is a corporate social responsibility? CSR refers to the concept where businesses integrate social, environmental, and ethical responsibilities into their operations and decision-making processes. It's not just about profits. It's about making a positive impact on society. Components of CSR are economic responsibility, generating profits ethically; social responsibility, supporting community development; environmental responsibility, minimizing environmental harm; ethical responsibility, upholding moral and ethical standards. Importance of CSR. 1. Enhances brand image and reputation. A company that actively engages in CSR initiatives is viewed positively by customers, employees, and stakeholders. For example, when a business supports environmental sustainability or community development, it fosters trust and loyalty among consumers who prioritize ethical values. 2. Increases customer loyalty. Modern consumers prefer brands that align with their values. Businesses practicing CSR are more likely to retain loyal customers who feel good about supporting socially responsible companies. 3. Attracts and retains talent. CSR initiatives create a positive work culture, appealing to employees who want to be part of meaningful work. People prefer to work for organizations that contribute positively to society, making CSR a tool for attracting and retaining top talent. 4. Drives long-term financial gains. Although CSR requires an upfront investment, its long-term benefits often outweigh the costs. Businesses with strong CSR programs tend to see increased customer retention, lower employee turnover, and enhanced stakeholder support, all of which contribute to financial stability. 5. Strengthens community relationships. CSR allows businesses to give back to the communities they operate in, fostering goodwill and strong local ties. This can lead to smoother operations, support during challenges, and a more favorable regulatory environment. Difference between CSR versus philanthropy? Meaning, in CSR, a company's overall commitment to operating ethically and sustainably, with consideration for its social and environmental impact, whereas philanthropy, charitable giving, and community support. Scope. CSR has broad scope, and the other has narrow. Motivation. CSR's motivation is to improve the company's overall impact on the world, whereas the philanthropy is to do good and support worthy causes. Time frame. For CSR long-term and philanthropy short-term. Strategic versus tactical. CSR is strategic, whereas the other is tactical. What are the key pillars of CSR? There are different models for understanding the key pillars of CSR, but a widely accepted framework identifies 4 main areas. 1. Environmental responsibility. This pillar focuses on a company's impact on the environment. It includes efforts to reduce pollution, conserve resources, minimize waste, and mitigate climate change. Examples: reducing carbon emissions, using renewable energy, implementing recycling programs, sustainable sourcing of materials, conserving water and energy. 2. Ethical responsibility. This pillar emphasizes operating with fairness, integrity, and ethical conduct. It includes treating employees, customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders ethically. Examples: fair labor practices, avoiding bribery and corruption, ensuring product safety, respecting human rights, transparency in business operations. 3. Philanthropic responsibility. This pillar involves contributing to the community and supporting social causes. It includes donating to charities, sponsoring events, and volunteering. Examples: donating a portion of profits to charity, supporting local community projects, providing scholarships or educational programs, encouraging employee volunteering. 4. Economic responsibility. This pillar refers to a company's duty to operate financially sustainably. It includes generating profits, creating jobs, and contributing to the economy. It's important to note that economic responsibility should be pursued ethically and sustainably, taking into account the company's social and environmental impact. Examples: creating jobs and providing fair wages, investing in research and development, supporting local businesses, paying taxes and contributing to the economy. Scope of CSR activities. Schedule 7 has mentioned the 10 areas where the amount earmarked for fulfilling CSR can be spent. Eradicating poverty, hunger, and malnutrition, making available safe drinking water, and promoting sanitation. This will also include contribution to Swachh Bharat Kash. 2. Promotion of education, including vocational skills and livelihood enhancement projects. 3. Promotion of gender equality and women empowerment, setting up old age homes and other facilities for senior citizens, and various measures for upliftment of economically backward class. 4. Ensuring environmental sustainability, ecological balance, animal welfare, conservation of natural resources, and taking measures for maintaining quality of air, soil, and water. V. Promotion of traditional arts and handicrafts, protection of national heritage and culture, setting up public libraries. 6. Measures were undertaken for the exclusive benefit of armed forces veterans, war widows, and their dependents. 7. Training to encourage regionally recognized rural or Paralympic sports. 8. Contribution to the central government's Socioeconomic Development Fund or Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. 9. Contributions provided by technology incubators, X projects for rural development. 11. Development of slum area, declared or notified as slum area. Challenges for CSR. These responses were categorized by research team and are explained below. 1. Lack of community participation. Local community is less interested in participating to CSR activities of companies. The major reason behind this is that local communities have little or no knowledge about CSR. 2. Need to build local capacities. Capacity building of local non-government organizations is required. There is shortage of trained and efficient organizations, NGOs, that can significantly contribute to the ongoing CSR activities or projects of companies. This seriously limits the scope of CSR activities. 3. Narrow perception toward CSR initiatives. Non-government organizations and government agencies often define CSR initiatives as more donor-driven than local in approach. This reflects their narrow outlook toward CSR initiatives of companies. 4. Non-availability of well-organized NGOs. Well-organized non-government organizations are not available in rural and remote areas. Therefore, it becomes difficult to assess real needs of the community and work with companies in true sense to ensure successful implementation of CSR activities. 5. Visibility factor. Media can help in highlighting good cases of successful CSR initiatives. It can spread good stories and sensitize local community about various CSR initiatives of organizations. 6. Transparency issues. Lack of transparency is the major issue highlighted by the companies participated in the survey. They argued that local implementing agencies never make considerable efforts to disclose sufficient information about their programs, impact assessment, and funds utilization. 7. Lack of consensus on implementing CSR issues. Local agencies and companies have lack of consensus regarding CSR projects. This often results in duplication of efforts by corporate houses in areas of their intervention. Moreover, local implementing agencies compete with each other rather than building collaborative approach on real issues. Thank you so much for watching our video on corporate social responsibility. We hope you found it insightful and inspiring. CSR isn't just a business strategy, it's a way to make a lasting impact on society and the environment. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments what CSR initiative inspired you the most or any topics you'd like us to cover next. Together, see you in the next video.